Welcome Navajo Lakota Bay YouTube channel. We're here at the Black Hills Powwow in Rapid City, South Dakota. Also, I want to show you guys a family that I met, and they also have a YouTube channel. So y'all go over to their channel, subscribe, go give them a follow on Facebook. We did a video here, so y'all, if you guys want to see that video, subscribe to their channel, go over there and go check it out. I want to introduce you guys to the Live Out Loud family.
I'm Jonah. I'm Jude. I'm Morgan.
And I'm Chris.
Good to meet you guys. So,
Great to meet you.
Chris is from London, England.
Well, from England, yeah, from Cheltenham, England.
Okay.
So across the pond. But I live in the US now.
You're from America. You're from here.
From Michigan. A little bit more boring.
These are their kids. So y'all go give them a follow, subscribe to their channel. We'll see you guys on that side. We'll see you guys on that side. Biga. So yeah, we're just still hanging out here. We might probably go check out the vendors here in a bit and go show these guys around. This is the first night here, so tomorrow we'll be back tomorrow for round 2. So there's not that much people here, but they're still pouring in. This isn't Gallup, a flea market. This is Rapid City, South Dakota. So we got a bunch of rosebuds here, got something met over here. Yate, Kaya. Hello. A Benny singer? Oh, okay. Where's she? Damn, we just survived it. There's a lot of people, and this is only the first night of the powwow. So tomorrow we're coming back. It's gonna be really busy and crazy. But yeah, guys, you guys subscribe to this Live Out Loud family YouTube channel. So we're gonna try to get home and get some rest for tomorrow. The twins haven't napped all day, so they're definitely getting a little cranky. We're gonna eat KFC for dinner. KFC night. They had a lot of people. They ran into us. I didn't know any. I kind of didn't know half of them, but the other half I knew from last year. Come up to us, shaking our hands. I felt like a tribal. I felt like a tribal council member, shaking everybody's hand. Ogallala Sioux Tribe President Frank Starr comes out in Hadlo. I was like, damn, I should just run for council at this time. Anyways, we're gonna go eat now, or I mean, we're gonna go pick up the food and be on our way back to the res. Hokahe.
The next day.
Yeah, go watch Navajo in Lakota Bay.
Thank you, Miss Gallup, all the way up here in Rapid City, South Dakota.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, how are you enjoying it?
It's good. I'm the first time here, so having a lot of fun.
All right, yeah. Well, good to see you up here, Miss Jonah. Oh, oh, we already ran into Miss Gallup, Intertribal, here in Rapid City. This is day 2, by the way, here at the Black Hills Powwow. And there's a lot of Johns, hardcore everywhere. There's a lot of natives up here walking around and sightseeing, trying to keep the kids away from the toys. So yeah, just tag along with us, have a good time. We got a lot of, oh, this is the guy we were trying to see here from Lame Deer, Montana. Yate. We gotta go exchange some belts here for Lakota Bay.
Thank you, Bad War Cloud. That was
it's like going through Gallup Flea Market here.
Oh, hey. What's up, Bob?
Yeah, how's it going?
Good to see you.
Oh, where are you from again?
Eagle Butte.
Eagle Butte, yeah, South Dakota.
Yeah, me and my mom watch you all.
All right, brother. You guys, all right. Give a shout out to your mom.
Hey, what's up, Mom?
Yeah. We'll see you later, brother. All right, that's from Eagle Butte, South Dakota. A bunch of relatives out here. A lot of subscribers we're bumping into, so it's pretty cool. Here we go, Lakota Navajo Nation's finest here.
Make sure to subscribe to Navajo Man and Lakota Bay. Like, subscribe, and comment.
Y'all heard it from the best. Y'all heard it from the best. Thank you, girls. I appreciate it. Desiree, is that you guys again? Hey, how's it going? Back again. Welcome back to Rapid City. Yeah. All the way. Yeah. What oh, yep. Navajo Man, Lakota Bay. Yeah, we're here again.
I remember Lakota Bay.
Oh yeah, there you go. We'll see you guys later.
Ang petu washte Tashina emachi api kusto. Ang petu kile has sapa wachipi. Lila washte.
Tawana le petiki oto wa chipi talila chante ma waste.
I don't know what they said, but that was Lakota right there. That was straight up Lakota. Thank you. If you guys don't know who Dennis Banks is or was, this is his daughter right here, right?
That's right. I am the proud daughter of Dennis Banks and Kamuk Nichols Ekafi, and rest in power forever, Dad.
Oh, a good one. Thank you. I appreciate it, guys. You guys have a good one. We're on the top. We're on the top of the balcony, on top of everybody. The way we like it, Jenna. This is how I like it on top. Yeah, you can see everybody. This is the main arena. Over there's the MC. We got Black Lodge singers. We got Blackstone. We got Northern Cree. We got pretty much a whole gang up in the house. Grand entry at the moment. Okay.
Shout out to Navajo Man and Lakota Bay. Just want to say what's up. Hanging out in the Black Hills. It's beautiful. And wish you guys much love and happiness in your life, I hope.
Follow him on TikTok too. What was it again?
Black Hills, Rapid City.
All right, there you go. What's up? What's up, guys? All right, cool. We'll see you guys later, brother. Yes, sir. Done that. Doksha. We'll see you guys. Yeah, I was really busy and got to meet a lot of people, a lot of celebrities. And yeah, it's good to see everybody again. There's a lot of people that we've seen the past couple of years that have returned. So at this point, we're pretty much like a family. So today, y'all, we spent enough time here at the powwow the second day, and we're gonna head on back to the hotel and see Lakota Bay. Lakota Bay's at work. If y'all have not been keeping up with us, she's been working like crazy. So but she has a hotel for us, so we're gonna head back over there and we're gonna go relax and go for a little swim with the boys. See you guys in a bit. Hey, Biga. From the powwow to the jacuzzi, you know how we do it in Lakota country. Navajo Man, getting that sun, bathing that skin, you know what I mean? It's been a long, hard day. Was up in the powwow, met a lot of celebrities, met a lot of relatives across Indian country, and just very appreciative. So thought I'd get down and enjoy myself. Of course, it's Indians. Yep, the other guy's there. The jacuzzi is supposed to be relaxing for me, boys. I don't know why y'all are up in here, but their mom got us a hotel room, so we're staying here for a couple nights. Their mom is working, so I know y'all are commenting, where's the mother at? She's working, all right? She works, she has a bachelor's degree, and she makes more money than me. So that girl is doing what she loves right now, all right? Besides me, but other than that, you know, y'all just enjoy, man. We're just gonna jump in this pool and enjoy ourselves. Here you go. The boys, they just float, little water dogs. Anyways, we're gonna go jump in here in a bit. Oh shit! Oh my god! freaking cold, man. We're gonna stay in the hot tub, me and Tani. We're gonna be a while. Yeah, we're gonna sit back in here. Oh man. All right, here. This is how it looks under a jacuzzi water. We just got our order of Domino's pizza with some hot wings. You know how we do it. All of us Johns that come off the res to hotels, we always get our Domino's. I don't know, I like Domino's. But, oh, you apple juice? Okay, let's get some apple juice. We're back at the Powwow. Hoka, hey. Navajo Man, Lakota Bay. Well, Lakota Bay is still out and about. Yeah, we're back at the Powwow, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back. This has been our last night for the night. And Nathani took over my camera, so don't mind the camera angles. Grand entry is happening in about like 5 minutes, y'all. 5 minutes. It's grand entry time, Jannah. So you guys enjoy the grand entry with us. Navajo Man and the Twindians. Lakota Bay is still out at work.